time Dave's hot chicken after I went to the gym. I came to get me something to eat for lunch. They have pickles, french fries, and sandwich. For the chicken. And french fries. The fries is kind of salty. This is the second time I've been here. The first time I went with my son. He took me over here. So I've been to the gym. Gym is just right there. Just outside right there. So now it's already like 4 o'clock and this is my lunch. 4 p.m. There's my drink. Chicken tenders with pickles and coleslaw.